As an entrepreneur, as a leader, your ability to understand what's in the world today and then what's coming to market in the next 2 to 5 years is critically important. As an example, the founders of Siri were focused on where the technology would be in 3 to 4 years and intercepting the technology so that the product they were building today, when it came to market, would be on the cutting edge. So your ability to predict these trends, this is critically important. One of the concepts to help with that is described from Peter Diamandis in its book Bold. It's called the 6Ds. Now, the 6Ds are very simple and will go into greater detail. The first is whatever becomes digitized will go through a period of deceptive growth. Then comes the disruptive growth, that it dematerializes, demonetizes, and then democratizes products and services. But I'd like to give you one overarching example that will give you context. 3D printing, as an example, is an over 30-year-old technology. When I think about 3D printing, it's really the digitization of manufacturing. 3D printing was in a very slow deceptive growth. But then, about 5 years ago, it really started entering the marketplace and becoming disruptive, changing the entire manufacturing field. And what has it done? Well, it's ultimately dematerialized things, because if I'm 3D printing things, I don't need a large inventory supply. It has dematerialized inventory. It's demonetized it because I don't have to carry inventory. It's in cloud and I print it when I need it. It's democratized it, meaning that I have a digital set and I can print and produce whatever I want anywhere on the planet.